Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm a mess. I'm coming from work and I'm at my friend's house because Andy is doing the electrical here. So he's working on a ditch. Anyways, Chelsea's a big fan of the channel and look what she made. You guys, she made pins. Naughty Norman fan club pins. Stormin' Norman. Naughty Norman attacking the chickens. Are these not hilarious? You guys, I can't even. This is the best thing that's ever happened. Norman! You always ruin the video. Norman! Norman! Get down. It's got beef with it. Oh, yeah. Come on, Norman. Come on. No. Norman. Get goats, they said. It'll be fun, they said. Look at this. This is why you should always wear pants when you go feed your goats.